Hello everybody. One of our favorite things to do at Pelvicore Rehab is our pregnancy pelvic health and wellness visit. We love it because it helps moms feel great throughout pregnancy. We don't think moms should have to wait until they have an ache or pain to have pelvic floor therapy during pregnancy. We want you to feel great and strong and supported throughout your pregnancy and not have to wait until you feel an ache or a pain. Not only is it important for that reason, so that you thoroughly enjoy every minute of your pregnancy, but it's important because there are so many things that we can teach you to prevent certain things that we see commonly in the postpartum period. For example, we'll teach you how to manage pressure so that we can keep your organs supported and in their anatomical position. We can help so that your abdominal wall does not separate more than it has to. We can help you to keep your rib cage moving, and the list is endless. The other really important thing is that we can help you learn these things so that your postpartum recovery is faster and more efficient. You got this, mamas. Do not wait to reach out to us. If you are pregnant, call us. We are going to help you feel great throughout your entire pregnancy.